successful. Honey.
Go where?
Explain.
Okay, this is a leaf raft, yay. This is not littering, because it's nature, and we can do this, because if you make a boat out of, like, anything, it's littering, so we're being kind to nature.
Oh.
Okay, this is more than likely not going to work, but if it does, yay. Yes?
So far it appears to be working-ish. It might be redocking. Does look kind of weak.
Yeah. Okay, fail.
Fail. Over.
It was natural, but it didn't, well, it sailed really well for what it was.
Mm-hmm.
And this is probably not going to work. It's a popsicle, so we made a popsicle stick boat. So we thought we'd try it, but use just a popsicle. I'm kidding.
Go boaty. Apparently.
Uh-oh.
See what I'm
It
looking
works.
at. It does. It's going. It's going.
Yay, technology.
Yay, technology. It is off.
Frickin' technology, man.
Right into the sun.
It's doing its thing.
It's riding into the sun.
At least it's moving.
Yeah.
It's moving faster than the crap in the water.
There we go. Let's get it out of the sun. Okay. Okay, our 97th and final again attempt.
It's sailing, I swear. It's not sailing fast, but it will.
Who can say where the wind blows?
That, look, it's blowing towards Canada.
It is.
Bye-bye. Anyway, side note, all that technology crap, the keel, nah, it didn't work. Just the sail. It's working. Anyway, popsicle stick boat 101. Actually, just popsicle stick boat 1.
Yeah.
And I'm littering.
You are.
And I am documenting the fact that I threw a popsicle stick, a toothpick in the water.
With something.
With a random, like, leaf, non-biodegradable. Well, leaves are biodegradable. It's not a leaf, I'm gonna not lie. That was pretty obviously like a piece of a ketchup packet, but
Yeah, hey.
whatever.
We don't have to point that out to
I'm not gonna lie.
Give this one a fail yet?
No, it's officially river trash now. See that leaf? That's what I was going for yesterday. How come nature can just do it?
Yeah. Nature was a fail.
Yay,
Bamboo.
technology, man. Yay, technology. I know, man versus nature. And yeah, we're going backwards, but that's kind of ironic. Yeah.
We're still winning.
Even though we're going backwards, we're still winning. I'm going to shut this off before the leaf picks up speed. Go boat, go boat.
Go boat.
Are we passing nature?
We are passing nature.
Nature, it appears. Oh, we are. We are accelerating backwards.
Accelerating past nature. Past the leaf.
Yeah, we're beating the leaf now. Leaf Smeef. Go backwards, power of man. Oh, we're turning around. Perfect. Now we should get going. Oh, yeah.
Now if we get some wind.
Later, cruel world.
Feeling a little. See, the water's feeling it. It is successful. Anything else?
The conditions are rough. The winds are strong. Okay, it's looked over. Captain's log. Valley.
Let's try it.
Sail across the river, little boat. Go, force gale winds. It's still good.
Fighting.
Come sail. Oh, wow, no, yes, no.
Oh, it's done.
Go. No, no, she's back.
No, she's still there.
Yeah.
She's still going.
Across the river with you, little boat.
Oh, little boat.
See the other stuff just drift by and the little boat sails across.
Boyfriend, right there, is swimming across the river to go get one of his boats. The boat is going. He's in the river with it. Uh-oh.
She's fine. She don't tack.
You're getting too far away from her. She's getting scared.
It's gonna go back and forth till it's over there.
I know, baby. I'm just teasing you. I remember I saw it go across the first time.
If not, I'll have to swim across it. It's coming back this way.
It is coming this way.
Yeah.
Ginormous feet. Careful now, I think it'll get caught in the middle. I'm kidding.
That's something.
I know, it looks good, baby.
Grab it. I'm gonna get out of the water.
Okay.
Not entirely as impressive as it looked in the thumbnail, was it? Yeah, me either. Anyway, I swear the other day it sailed across the river like it wasn't nothing, like it was built to do that, but now it just sits here.
Well, it was built to do that at the time.
Oh yeah. The sail has been readjusted.
Okay, here comes a bit of a breeze.
It'll do it now. It's all come sailing away bye-bye.
Okay, here we go. Possible wind.
Oh, it's doing it. It is done to go bye-bye. It's in the bye-bye sauce.
It's headed back over for its dock.
Well, it's still doing better than it did earlier anyways.
Yeah.
Oh God, the kayak people. Run, little boat, run!
Run, little boat. Kayakicus will attack you.
Go, go, go.
Go, little boat, go.
Kayakers are the bane of all toy boats.
Yeah.
Well, they're more like the... Apparently the kayak people don't like the toy boat people. I don't know why. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's the kayak bandit right there. The boat collector, man.
Yes. Oh, boy, go. Uh-oh. It's heading back for its dock.
I know, it's doing this cease.
Oh, that's right. It's moving around like it does.
It tacks across the river, yeah. But before or after kayak lady comes and steals it.
Kayakicus.
Who can say where the kayaks come from? Oh, that is some freaking...
It's going.
Go, go! Go, go, go! It's escapist from Kayakicus.
Run, little boat, run.
Dude, she is stalking it. She's on
Yeah,
one.
she's eyeing that thing.
Dun 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 dun.
He's checking it out, though. He's like, what the fuck is that thing? Sailboat?
Little bit. It works. Kayaks are faster.
Yeah.
That wasn't the lady that picks up the ball. Oh, look, it's going after him.
It's following him.
It's going after him with a vengeance.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as I said kayaks are faster, it's like, oh yeah?
Oh, yeah?
I got this.
I'm gonna catch that guy. Wait, maybe I'll dock. Who can say where kayaks go?
She goes.
Trying, it wants to.
Yay, sailboats.
Go, sailboat.
Okay, that's the boat. Still rolling down the river. From that dock to that tree. All the way up the river to somewhere. Jeepers, it's hauling booty. Anyway, there it is over there now. There goes the raft. That one worked great, by the way. Point A launch. Sailed across the river to right there. It's in turn because of the current of the wind. Met the kayak guy, sailed downriver, raced him, ended up there. There she is. Okay, just for future reference, I'm gonna make like rice paper with beeswax, with sealed with anchovy oil, so that pelicans and seagulls and turtles and shit can eat it. And we're gonna be called the Southern Pacific Gyre Toy Company, made in the island of Lost Toys. Swear. Wouldn't that have been so much better if I just tilted it right before it went behind the post? Yeah.